So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is I am very happy. So hello guys, everyone. Wish you all Merry Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25 December every year. On 25 December, Jesus Christ was born worldwide. People decorated crypt and Christmas tree with ribbons, star, ball, light, and etc. On this day, Christian people offer prayer for to God by lighting up candle in church. In this festival, people decorated their home, exchange, give cut a cake, and enjoy feast together. So it is believed that on Christmas night Santa Claus come to give gift to children. It is love most festival among children. Christmas give message kind to be kind towards everyone and spread happiness. So thank you.